This is Mother Nature's sanitizer. This uses ozone on demand to kill 99.9% of common bacteria and germs within 30 seconds. It is so easy to use. You will just fill this area here with cold water. There's a line to the max fill line. To charge it, you plug in the charger here. And there's a light on here. When it's fully charged, it will be green. Until then, it will be red. It doesn't take long to charge, and it holds a charge for about 2 weeks, depending how much you use this. This is EPA approved and FDA safe to kill Salmonella, E. coli, strep bacteria. There's just so many uses for this bottle. I use this every day. So you can spray it on any non-porous surface, stone, you can use it on tile, ceramic, you can spray it on all your fruits and veggies. So it's great for killing mold, like on your strawberries or anything like that. You know, I just rinse them first and then spray this, let them sit and dry. I do all my apples and lettuce and stuff like that. Just use this. I also use this for cleaning my counters, cleaning my bathrooms. I spray it on our toothbrushes, like once a week. I'll just go spray everybody's toothbrush. I also use this for all my pet stuff. So like dog bowls, dog water bowls. I also spray this on my dog's teeth because the ozone is really good for just any bacteria on their teeth. I've had a dog that actually had a cut in her mouth, and I used this on it multiple times a day. Here's like an example. I have grapes. You're just gonna spray the grapes, and you can see the light turns on, and that lets you know that there is ozone coming out. So the check, and it'll be red if it's not. And that usually means like it needs to be charged or something. And so I'm just gonna let these sit. You actually don't even need to rinse these because the ozone just dissipates into oxygen shortly after it's sprayed, a little after 30 seconds. So there's nothing really to rinse off, along with the fact that you can even drink ozone water. So if you want to pre-rinse stuff, because I mean, this is a sanitizing bottle, so it's going to extend the life of your berries, your fruits and veggies. But obviously if there's dirt on there, you need to wash the dirt off. And if you had like conventional or even non-conventional for that matter, vinegar rinse or something like that to get off like residues and stuff, then that's something that you would do beforehand and then do this after. I haven't even opened this one because when I was moving, I found 2 of these in a box, and so I was really excited. It comes with all the directions, which is really simple. You're just gonna it's gonna come just like this, and you have the booklet here that will explain how to use it. I mean, really, you're just gonna start by just charging it and then add water, and you're pretty much ready to go. They last, depending on how much you use it. My last one I had for a good 5.5, 6 years. I'm sitting here trying to think of a reason why somebody might not love this. And the only thing I can think of is that if you really like scented products, this is unscented. So that is the one, con for somebody who likes scented things. And you couldn't like add essential oil to this. You could definitely have something with scents if that's what you wanted, or essential oils, and add that another way. But that is the only thing I can think of. This bottle, I mean, I just love it. It is on the pricier side, but it's worth its weight in gold with the way that you are going to save money. You're going to save on plastic that you're putting into the environment, because you aren't going to be buying bottles that typically come in plastic of cleaners. I'm going to link it below. I'm also going to link our free natural health group that you can join with other like-minded people. We are in there and thousands of others, and just sharing tips on a healthier lifestyle and things we're doing. So check it out, and if you have any questions, drop them below. I would love to answer them. O3 Waterworks Spray Bottle.